Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash. I just literally got in my car, saw that there was $1.50 extra today, right now at least, and literally I haven't even finished pulling out of my driveway and I already got an order. And what was funny was I was like, damn, I need to get gas, but the gas that I like, the cheapest gas station is like in the southeast area, or southeast of where I live at least. And I was like, damn, it's too far. Like, I don't want to drive way over there. And then I get an order that's going perfectly over there. It was $7.50 for like 6 something miles or so. And normally I probably wouldn't accept that, but it's literally to the gas. It's like right next to the gas station that I wanted to go to. So again, DoorDash coming in with the like perfectly clutch, like convenient orders. And yeah, so starting the day off, it is 11 o'clock right now. Gonna do a few orders today. Probably actually gonna do more orders today than I normally do because it is Sunday and I am like super caught up on work. I've been like only working for the last few days, but I gotta get some gas. I'm also gonna do another video today on how much gas you spend in a year, because I feel like every time I have to fill up my tank, it's so expensive. But more of that on the other video that I'm gonna make today. So we're gonna head over to Mama Bird, which is it's like a breakfast place. It's like just like a mile south of my house. So let's head over there. Mama Bird. All right, so we just pulled up to Mama Bird. There's about like 5 or 6 people waiting in line outside, and then there's a bunch of people waiting outside. And I am about 5 minutes early, so I'm gonna come in about 5 minutes late because of how packed they are. There's pretty much no chance that they get this order done on time because they're usually a teeny bit late at this place. So anyways, question to the audience: what is your favorite thing to get from Starbucks? Because I am a total coffee addict. Like every time I go out of the house, I pretty much have coffee, especially when I'm doing like these morning videos of the Daily Dash. I always have coffee. But what is your guys' favorite thing to get from Starbucks? Because totally, I love getting the sweet cream cold brew, and I get it in the Trenta size, which is like the extra big, way too big. They shouldn't be selling it. But I always get the cold brew, the sweet cream cold brew with light ice in the Trenta size. Let me know in the comments what you guys get. Also, real quick, we're gonna do a bit of a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving out joggers and a t-shirt for anyone who orders off-axis ninjas within the next, we'll do the next week. If you guys order within the next week of when this video is posted, which is going to be tomorrow on Monday, if you guys order within the next week, any pair of ninjas, any color, I will throw in a pair of joggers for free and a t-shirt for free. And if you are a girl, I will throw in a pair of the yoga pants and the sports bras, okay? So just let me know. After you guys order the ninjas, use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER. That's the only code that's gonna work. If you use a discount code, any different discount code doesn't work. Use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER and then get a hold of me either on Instagram or in the comments down below, or you can use the off-axis form on the website to get in contact with me and let me know what color t-shirt you want. So there's black or white, or what color joggers you want, which is gray or black, what size you guys want. So just for reference, I am a size, I'm a medium in t-shirt and in joggers, and I'm 5'9", about 170 pounds. So just for reference. And then if you're a girl, we only have black, sorry, but the black yoga sets, just let me know your size and sports bra, and I will throw those in to the box for free. So just use the discount code OFFAXISTANNER, and I'm gonna throw that in for you guys. All right, let's get this order. All right, got the order, and we're gonna be on the way right now. But I'm gonna have to stop at the gas station first because no, we don't have to stop at the gas station first. We got 23 miles left on the tank. My adrenaline addiction is not good for pushing it with how much gas I have left in the tank. Probably not the thing that you want to push on the limits, but I still do anyways. But there was a period in my old car, in my Ford Focus, where I ran out of gas like 3 times in a month. And it was because the Focus is like, the reader was really off. It told me, or the car ran out of gas when it said that there was 45 miles left or something crazy like that. And then I was like, all right, just don't go under 45 miles. And then the next day, literally the next day, I was doing Postmates, and it runs out at like 65. And I was like, damn, this thing is really messed up. So I ran, my ex was pissed because she had to pick me up twice in like 2 days. And then like there's like probably a week went by and I ran out of the gas again. But fortunately on the third time, I had been smart enough to put a 2-gallon gas container in my car. So that way, just in case, you know? All right, so first order down, dropped off the Mama Bird order. Sundays literally have to be the best day of the week to do delivery driving because all day long, everyone is sitting at home and everyone is kind of in a lazy mood and they don't want to go out and get their food. And I just feel like Sunday's absolutely the best day that I always make the most money, for sure. Crappy order, $3, not doing that. Distance too far. Do you guys like actually select why you don't want to do an order? Because I always just select, whenever I deny an order, I always put distance too far, and that's it, just because it's the one on top. And usually it's because they're not paying me enough to do the order, meaning it's too far. So yeah, Sundays literally have to be the best days, I think. If you guys think differently, let me know in the comments down below. But Sundays are busy pretty much all day long. Super bright. Sundays, literally my favorite day, and I think every single Sunday I always like spend at least like 4 or 5 hours doing delivery driving because it's like just much more busy on Sundays than it is pretty much any other day of the week. And that's my opinion, but I'm pretty sure that I've made more money on Sundays than pretty much any other day consistently since I started doing Postmates even like 4 years ago. I don't know, just my opinion. Real quick, UFC Interruption, because next week is going to be a gigantic fight with Conor McGregor versus Dustin Poirier. If you guys are a UFC fight fan, let me know who you're voting for down below between Conor McGregor and Dustin Poirier. Personally, I mean, I love Dustin. He's like one of my favorite fighters to watch. And I gotta say, I really want Dustin to win. Like, I would love to see Dustin win. If I was to bet money, I would not pick on Dustin, but I want to see Dustin win so bad for a few different reasons. One, because Dustin is like one of the greatest, like nicest guys in the UFC. And two, if Dustin wins, I think there's a good chance that Conor would fight Tony Ferguson in the next fight because they would both be coming off losses, and I think that could set up a big fight between Conor and Tony, because Conor is only going to fight people that have big names and Tony's got a gigantic name. So I think if Conor loses, he could fight Tony Ferguson. That's just, I mean, obviously I'm team Tony Ferguson all day long, so I want whatever comes, like the best thing that can possibly happen for Tony. And I think that is, if Conor loses, he could fight Tony. All right, let me know in the comments down below, Dustin or Conor though. All right, straight up, check this out. So I get to the gas station and it says outside over on the sign, it says that it is $2.39 for gas.
Feeling down? Brain expert Dr. Daniel Lehman suggests these 8 natural depression remedies.
$97. That topped its IPO price of $49. Find your favorite inside.
Just a quick update. It is 12 o'clock, by the way, and we have still only gotten one order. You know, that's funny because I got the first order within like the first like 10 seconds of being logged in, and we have not gotten an order. But here's the problem, and this is one of the things that I tell people all the time. It's because the order took me way far to the south. I only took the order because I wanted to go to this stupid gas station. Of course, that gas station was lying to me anyway, so I'm not going to go back to that gas station anyways. So there's no other restaurants down there. So that's why I'm ending up driving all the way back up to the outlet mall, which is on the north end of Vegas. But whatever. Honestly, I'm probably going to walk around the outlet mall for a little bit because I go to this outlet mall every single day, and the only shop that I've been there is Under Armour. And that was just to buy a mask one time. It's funny because I park outside this outlet mall almost every single day waiting for orders, and I've never even walked around it. So I'm probably going to go up to the outlet mall. I don't know why I haven't gotten more orders today. Today is normally like a super packed day, but I guess literally because I was in the very farthest south area of Vegas, there's no orders coming in from down there because there's no other restaurants. It's just all residential area. So, yep, gotta follow my own advice. Probably should stay away from the super far south area, even though that's the area that I live in. All right, Gonna do a real quick Q&A while we sit here. Ooh, Mr. Beast order. $5 for 8.5 miles and delivers into the worst area of Vegas. Not going to do that. While we are waiting on an order to come in, because they're coming in like crazy now because I'm at the outlet mall. But I'm gonna be very, very picky on which orders I take. We're gonna do a quick Q&A from all the YouTube comments. And I'm just gonna go off like the past like 5, let's see, past 5 comments that came in. How old are you? I am 30 years old, born October 9th, 1990. I feel kind of old. My body feels old because I've been like doing extreme sports my whole life, and all those impacts really start to add up. All right, next question. What happens if you hit a 1% acceptance rate? I don't think anything would happen if you had a 1% acceptance rate. That's really low though. I get down to 10% though sometimes, but that, I mean, you have to think about it. Like, to get from 10% down to 1%, that's significantly more orders than you are declining. I mean, if you get down to 10%, that's 9 out of 10 you're declining. But I don't know. I don't think the acceptance rate matters that much. I always have a really low acceptance rate, and I'm gonna just look at, oh, here's another order. $6.50 for 5 miles. Not gonna do it. Let's look at my acceptance rate right now. Go to home and ratings. Here's my ratings for the day. I don't know how well you can read that. We got a 74% on time or early, 90% completion rate. I think completion rate is the only one that really matters, and of course your customer rating. I always have at least a 4.8. Acceptance rate is 36. It's pretty good right now, honestly, because it gets down to 10% sometimes. But yeah, so all right, we're gonna do 2 more questions. Why did you sell your Focus ST? I sold my Focus ST because it had almost I think it had 210,000 miles on it or something like that. And I drove that thing around the country like probably like 8 times. It never had a single problem. 2 of the main reasons why I wanted to get a new car is, 1, it was starting to have issues with the transmission, which I didn't know this, but manual cars have a transmission. So my Focus ST was a manual. It was a stick shift. You know, I didn't know that it still had a transmission, but they said that there was transmission problems. It was going to cost like $4,000 to fix it. My car was only valued at like $5,000, so I was like, I need to get a new car anyways. Plus, I needed to tow, and also I had that car for 6 years. You know, like I kind of wanted something new. And this Ford Explorer, not gonna lie, I really miss having a sports car though, like zooming around, and that was it's just way more fun driving around. What insurance do you have? I have Progressive. I just made a video about this the other day. It's the cheapest one because you can like you plug in this thing into your car and it'll let you know like how good of a driver you are based on how many like quick stops you make, and like whether you're slamming on the brakes or quick speeding up and those kind of things. Progressive offers like a lower discount or a bigger discount for people who plug that thing into their car and then use it. So that's all the questions we got for today. Yeah, that's all. We'll do more questions and answers in the future though. So let me know if you guys got any questions and I'll answer them in the next video. All right, check this out. $9.75. But look at this. It goes straight above the strip. Anything that is above the 215 that is near the strip at all, I do not go there under any circumstances. Anything to do with that like tourist area, no, we are not doing that one. It's just like all it is hotels and like casinos up there and stuff, and I am not trying to deliver to any of those casinos. One time I had to park at the MGM, walk all the way in, like I don't even know why I did this, like this is just so messed up. It's when I was doing Postmates. I parked at the MGM, and if you guys know where the MGM is, like the parking structure is separate from the casino, so you have to like walk all the way down, all the way across the parking lot into the casino, up to the elevator, find their room. Usually they like most casinos make you show your room key, so it's like I can't even go up there anyways. So anyways, this is exactly why I don't over to casinos. All right, check this out. $4.50. I'm only going to accept this order because I just walked around the outlet mall like I said I was going to, and I was like, man, I actually kind of want to like go check out the real mall, which is literally right up the street. As I get into my car, normally there's no way I would ever take an order for $4.50, but I was just about to tell myself, like, well, I was telling myself, oh, let's drive over to the other mall, which is like 1 mile up there. And then I get this order that goes from here literally straight up there from Jersey Mike's. So we're gonna do this order. Under the circumstances that I'm gonna look at this order. It says delivering to Miss Kiera, and yeah, so I'm just delivering to someone's store, so that's not that big of a deal. I'm gonna park by their store and walk in, and then I'm gonna go shopping, maybe buy a t-shirt or something. Obviously I'm not gonna buy any shoes, that's for sure, because I only wear my own shoes. But all right, driving over there, gonna go to the other mall, and then I'm gonna be way more picky on the next order I get. I've actually never delivered from one mall to another. That's the first time I've ever done that. All right, I just got the order confirming delivery, but I also just got some really good news, and I was checking out as I was reading the comments, I noticed that we finally got to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for like supporting the channel, and all of you that smash the like button and enjoy watching this content. My goal has always been to just give out as much free information as I possibly can to help anyone out, because I feel like I generally have like a pretty good, easy life, and I kind of wanted to share it with everyone. And thank you guys so much for getting to 5,000 subscribers, because it really means a lot. I just wish it didn't take 4 years to get there, you know, because I started in 2016, and we've been going up like 100 subscribers a month, and then this month has really like kicked in. We got 500 subscribers this month. So thank you guys again. Just wanted to really show you guys that I really appreciate you guys a lot, and we're gonna do a giveaway in the future. So another giveaway for 5K, but we're already doing one today, so we're not gonna do another one. All right, just dropped off the order. I'm gonna go walk around the mall for a little bit. This video is getting a little longer than I expected it would, so we are going to call it right here. Excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys have not yet, and if you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing that like button, because it greatly helps out my channel. Also, again, for that giveaway, go to offaxisacrobatics.com. Order any shoes with the discount code OFFAXISTanner, and then just DM me, and if you guys need any of the information, I will give it to you. Again, you get a pair of joggers and a t-shirt, or a pair of yoga pants and a sports bra. Let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.